Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft SQL Server Express step by step clearly. To uninstall Microsoft SQL Server Express, begin by opening the control panel. Click on Programs or Programs and Features. Locate Microsoft SQL Server Express in the list of installed programs. Select Microsoft SQL Server Express. Click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the prompts to start the uninstallation process. The SQL Server installation wizard will launch. Click Next to proceed through the wizard. Select the Remove SQL Server Instances option. Choose the instance of SQL Server Express that you want to uninstall. Click Next to continue. The wizard will display a summary of the instance to be removed. Review the summary and click Next to confirm the removal. The uninstall process will begin and may take a few moments to complete. Once it's finished, click Close to exit the wizard. Next, navigate back to the control panel. Click on Programs and Features again. Look for any additional SQL Server components that may still be installed. Select any remaining SQL Server components. Click Uninstall to remove them as well. After all components have been removed, restart your computer. Check your system to ensure that Microsoft SQL Server Express has been completely uninstalled. You're now done with the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.